I started to get really sick. I felt like an elephant was sitting on my chest, like I couldn't breathe. My temperature went up to 102. Everything was in pain. My lungs were completely full of fluid. My body was in septic shock. And so my body was starting to reject my daughter. Dr. Gall came in and he explained to me that she would be taken care of. You know, Dr. Bardwell was like, I'm gonna go ahead and deliver her, but we don't know what's gonna happen with you. Within minutes, had to sign my life over to my best friend, not knowing if I was gonna wake up and see my daughter, not knowing if my daughter was gonna live. And my family was like rushing to get here from the East Coast. I felt really alone. From the emergency room nurses to the nurses that day, they were my heroes. They were so incredible and so loving, and I was so scared. But I remember right before I went into surgery, I was told to fight. And I was told, your daughter's gonna be okay. We're gonna make sure she's okay, but we're gonna need you to fight. And when you go to sleep, we're gonna need you to fight even harder. I woke up 9 days later. And I guess during those 9 days of me being in medical induced a coma, every time they would try to wake me up, I would keep crashing. My body was rejecting everything. I didn't know that 9 days had passed. I didn't know that I missed Christmas. I didn't know if my daughter was okay. And like all I wanted to do was just get upstairs to see her. They didn't make me feel like I was just some random patient. They actually took the time, because I was so scared. They took the time to be like, it's okay, like just give it a minute. Your daughter's fine, she's upstairs, like everything's okay. And it was December 31st, which was New Year's. But I remember 2 pounds and this little girl just fighting. A lot of nurses were like, you're the miracle mom. We've been looking forward to meeting you. We've been waiting for you, and your baby's been waiting for you. I was so scared because I thought she wasn't going to know me, or she forgot that I was her mom, or, you know, because that bonding was gone. I remember when I finally got to hold her, it was New Year's Eve. What's gonna happen? It's 12 days later. I remember being so scared. Are we gonna bond? The nurses kept coming in to visit me. I was just a patient, but they got invested in me and they got invested in my daughter. That extra step goes a long way, because when you're sick, you're scared and you feel so alone, and you know that your life is in the hands of someone else, and there's nothing you can do except trust in that person, trust in the hospital that you chose to go to. That's all you have. St. Joseph saved my life. They saved my daughter's life, and they saved my life. What these doctors and nurses do at this hospital and how they treat their patients is unbelievable.